Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. It's part 2 of our video from previous week. This time we're going to review our hotel. We just woke up, Jens is busy in the bathroom, and we're going to explore today. Today we're going to an abandoned village in Germany, and probably we're going to Manschau because I like the city there. So baby, say hi.
Sup?
Okay, first of all, our hotel is really cute. It's a little bit tiny, but I think the style is really good. Okay, little room tour. Oh, so over here's the bed. They put like a little picture on there. It's pretty cute. We have like lamps. If you touch them, you get like light. Boop. Okay, so that are the lights. Then we have like little closets. It's like built-in. It's not that big, but it's good enough. So. Okay, and then we have like the TV. It works because most of the times if we're going to a hotel, our TV doesn't work. Pretty much that. And then we have like a little bathroom. Also not that big, but we have everything we need. And we also have like a hair dryer. So you did a good job here. Okay. And also I want to review a few stuff that we bought because I think it's so nice. Okay, so first of all, if you come to Germany, you need to buy this one because they're so nice. Oh.
You're addicted.
Yes, I'm addicted to these ones. If they are in Belgium, I buy like a bunch of it because they're so yummy.
You will become fat. You will get a belly.
Okay. And now we have like the, how do you call them? The Ritter Sport chocolates. These are the tiny ones and it's like a mix. You have like yogurt, cornflakes, nougat, and like milk. A bunch of them. And then we have our favorite Schupfnudel. It's like you can compare it like with not like potatoes, but more like pasta. It's like a pasta potato. Or how do we call it? Like, yeah, it's like pasta potatoes.
Yeah.
I don't have any other word for it. And then we have like Milchmause. It's like chocolate with cornflakes in it. Yeah, the package itself is saying it. Also very yummy. And then we have Spätzle. It's also something like pasta but with egg in it. So, and all of this is not expensive in Germany.